Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: difference between var and dynamic in C#. In this session we will learn what is the difference between var keyword and dynamic keyword. Var was introduced in C# 3.0 version and dynamic was introduced in C# 4.0 version. Means dynamic is a latest. Let's check with example. And this is a Visual Studio. In Visual Studio we declare one variable var variable and assign the value 99, means we assign one integer value. Now in next line we reassign the value like integer hello var data, something like this. In next line, at compile time it display error cannot implicitly convert string to integer. Let's run this project. Getting some error, just read this error. Cannot implicitly convert string to integer. It means when we define var variable, the variable having type var, at that time if we assign the value integer, means this variable is integer. We cannot assign the string value. Now check the next one, dynamic. Now this is our dynamic. In dynamic we assign the integer value. Dynamic and variable name is dynamic variable and we assign the integer value, and in the next line we reassign as a string value and it will not display any error, means it's working fine. Means the first difference in var and dynamic, the first difference in var we cannot change the data type. In dynamic we can change the data type. And second difference, in var type, this is var, we create one variable var my var data. Okay, just initialize the variable and it shows some error. Means in var type we cannot initialize the variable. Compulsory to assign the value. Now we assign some value hello var. Now it not display any error. Okay, but in dynamic type, now we define we declare one dynamic variable, dynamic my dynamic variable. Okay, yeah, we in dynamic type we can either declare the variable or initialize the variable. In both the condition it will work fine, it will working fine, but in the case of var, compulsory to assign the value. This is the difference between var and dynamic. Okay, this is example. In already we checked this example. We define one var variable and assign the value integer, and in next line we assign the string value. At that time it display the error. In case of dynamic it will working fine. Now we check the difference between var and dynamic one by one. The first difference is var is introduced in C# 3.0 and dynamic is introduced in C# 4.0. The first difference. And second difference, var is static type, or we can say statically type. This means This means the type of variable declared is decided by the compiler at compile time. And second, this is dynamic type. This is dynamically typed. This means the type of variable decide is declared by the compiler at runtime. Next difference, Visual Studio show intelligence since the type of variable assigned is known to compiler. But in case of dynamic, intelligence is not available since the type and its related method and properties can be known at the runtime only. Next difference, need to initialize at the time of declaration. We already checked in examples. Need to initialize at the time of declaration. And this example where string equal to I am a string means it's a compulsory need to initialize the variable. But in case of dynamic, no need to initialize at the time of declaration, like dynamic string, and in next line we assign the value to the variable, and we can also change the data type of the variable. Next difference, if the variable does not initialize, it's throw an error. We already checked in examples. If we not initialize the variable, it throw an error. But in case of dynamic, if the variable does not initialize, it will not throw an error. And next difference is basically one example where my value equal to 10, statement 1. In statement 1 we assign one integer value. In statement 2 we assign string value. But in this case it will display the error. When statement 1 is executed, the my value type is integer type, and in the next line the my value type is string type. We cannot reassign, we cannot change the type of the variable, and it will give the error. Then the compiler will give an error because it's violating safety rule type. But in case of dynamic, at the statement 1 dynamic my value equal to 10, we assign one integer value. In next line we assign the string value. In this case it will working fine.